Enter a home that redefines comfort and prioritizes your happiness above all else. Welcome to Marble Street in Leicester, where you'll cherish every day of your student journey. Choose from a range of non-suites filled with the utmost comfort and ease. Snuggle into the coziest beds, lose yourself in a captivating book at your personal study desk, and bask in the breathtaking views beyond your window. Have a refreshing shower in the bathroom and effortlessly select your outfit of the day from the wardrobe. You can use high-speed Wi-Fi for a seamless experience, and all your bills will be included in the rent, so you don't have to worry about anything else. Reach Montfort University within an 8-minute walk, and see the beautiful scenes of Town Hall Square Fountain during your morning jog. Create unforgettable moments with your buddies at Ronnie Roos Bar and tantalize your taste buds with delicious Chinese dishes at Spicy Style. For your daily coffee dosage, visit MYMO Cafe, and when you want to go for a weekly grocery run, the UV store is the perfect place to go. Don't miss out on this vibrant student living experience. Visit amberstudent.com now and lock in your spot today.